Hello, this is AJ. Let's get started with the POV, point of view, mini story for Healthy at 100. Same story, different points of view. Since he was 16, Joe has wanted to be a movie star. Since when? Since he was 16. Since he was 16, Joe has wanted to be a movie star. Who has wanted to be a movie star? Bill? Not Bill, Joe. Joe has wanted to be a movie star since when? Since he was 16. Since he was 16, Joe has wanted to be a movie star, starting when he was 16 and continuing. What has he wanted since he was 16? To be a movie star. He has wanted to be a movie star since he was 16. Has he wanted to be a music rock star since he was 16? No, he hasn't wanted to be a rock star. He has wanted to be a movie star. What kind of star has he wanted to be? He has wanted to be a movie star. Has he wanted to be a movie star a little? Or a lot? Well, he's wanted to be a movie star a lot. Really, really, really wanted to be a movie star. He has wanted to be a movie star so much, a lot, since he was 16 years old. And now he's 38. So he's wanted to be a movie star from 16 until age 38. During that whole time, every moment during that time, he has wanted to be a movie star. Well, finally, one day, he just decided, I'm going to do it. I will be a movie star. He decided to get thin. So he stopped eating dairy products. And he said, no more consumption of sugar and fat. Then he studied other stars. He studied them very carefully. And he saw a correlation, a connection between big teeth and being a famous movie star. Now, unfortunately, he has always had tiny teeth. I mean, since he was born. He has had tiny teeth since he was born. Has Joe always had tiny little teeth? Yeah, Joe has always had tiny little teeth. Since when? Well, since he was born, since he was a tiny baby. Starting when he was a tiny baby until age 38. He has always had little tiny teeth. But he decided to change that also. He got an operation from a dentist. And the dentist gave him huge, whopping teeth. What did the dentist give him? The dentist gave him huge, whopping teeth. And so, 1 year later, Joe became the biggest, most famous movie star in the world. All right, that's the end of our first point of view story. You'll notice that one changed a couple times, right? I started with, has wanted to be, since he was 16, has wanted to be. And then we say, he decided, boom, just happened. And then we went back again, and we said, since he was a baby, he has had tiny teeth, starting when he's a baby until now. Well, until 38. And then we change back again. Got an operation. Gave him big teeth. Just notice the changes. That's all you need to do. You don't need to remember the name of the grammar terms or rules. Don't remember any of that. Doesn't matter. Notice the changes. Notice when they change, how they change. That's all you need to do. Don't analyze it. Don't think about it. Just notice it, hear it, listen to it. That's all you need to do. Relax. On to the next one. Into the future. Now, here's my idea for a story, and we're going to say for next year. So next year, there'll be a guy. This guy will be named Joe. Joe will want to be a massive, huge movie star. He'll want to be a big movie star. Well, first, he's going to decide to get thin. He'll stop eating dairy products. He'll stop consuming sugar and fat. He'll say, I'm not gonna consume sugar or fat anymore. Starting today into the future, I'm not gonna consume sugar or fat. So he'll do that. Next, he's gonna study famous movie stars. And he'll see a correlation between big teeth and being famous. He's going to realize that there's a correlation between having big teeth and being a famous movie star. Now, unfortunately, Joe's going to have tiny teeth. I mean, naturally genetically, his whole family is going to have tiny little teeth. And Joe will have tiny little teeth too. So he'll decide to get an operation. He'll go to a doctor first, then he'll go to a dentist, and this dentist will give him huge, whopping teeth. Big, big teeth. And this is going to be successful. It's going to be hugely successful. In fact, 1 year later, he's going to be the most famous, the biggest movie star in all of the United States and in all of the world. He'll be a huge, big star because of his huge, big teeth. And that is the end of our point of view stories. Hope you enjoyed them. Smile, breathe, move your body. Big, big, big grin on your face. Come on. You just finished the point of view story. Rock on. You're great. You're fantastic. You're an excellent English learner. Thank you for being my student. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.